Hey everyone, Dave at the House of Warriors here. Thanks for watching. And on my last video, I said this is probably the most practical practice weapon you can use if you want to use a knife as a self-defense tool versus some other weapons. So portable, practical, and all this. Now, I don't have a belt here, so I'm going to just basically pretend like I'm pulling from my belt here. Let's say if I get some partners in here, they can show the application. You're being attacked or choked, hands come up automatically, but just like anything, I can come up and strike this way using this puño, as they call it, right? This puño, this part here. I can hit across this way. So much like the stick fighting and the slashes you learned in knife fighting, you're using this hammer technique and using that point of that knife to strike. The thing about it is I'm being attacked, I come up and I hit. I hit down either at the arm over here or across the head, whatever's in the way, both. As I'm here, a quick turn and I slash, cutting across. Now, I didn't do this. Okay. As I came here, I'm used to flicking my wrist and using that weapon. That's an important skill to understand. A lot of people think it's, with practice, the knife gets easier to do, but by doing that, see, it's almost like a switchblade, but it's legal. Okay, so when I come up, hit, slash, stab, come back in position, take this position, or even down here in the hip. And then we'll go into other videos with the fencer's position versus the boxer's position, why you would use those positions. So I strongly suggest, if you can get they're expensive, I know, but they're so worth it to practice with because they feel and work like a real knife.